teach my children for you guys. This is pure water that is open. They will keep opening like this. The plate will see another one. This is what I've been suffering in this house. I was the one that suggested this plate so that whenever they drink, they will put it here. But you see now, it's not working. It's not working because they will not drink from the one they left before. They will want a fresh one. So, who is suffering this type of thing with me? Please, let's meet in the comment section. Hey guys, good afternoon vlog. This is our afternoon vlog. Hey guys, so I and my friend we want to go out now, so I want to carry you guys along as we do that. So guys, yes, we are going out now. I and my friend, we are about to step out just a little. We are not going for, I'm like this, like, we are not going for, we just want to like see someone out there, then we come back. So say hi. Hi. This is not a tour, but as we go out, we are going to check things around. So we are checking things around, you know, to go and say hi to a friend. So guys, let's go. Please off this outside and this. So guys, like I told you, let's step out. Let's go and have some fun with my friend Amaka. Yeah, hello. So we are just going to, this is the compound, this is my compound, like I told you guys. So we are just going to step out right now. And I'll be vlogging as I'm going. All right. So guys, yeah, these children are playing outside. Say hi.
Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys.
So, all right. So guys, we are stepping out right now. This is just me, the simple me. You all know I'm still mourning my husband, and that's the reason why you are always seeing me on black clothes. All right. So my friend Amaka, maybe she wants to mourn with me today. That's the reason why she's wearing black too. So guys, let's go out and have a little fun. Yeah. This one is not Christmas out, no. We are just doing some
Boxing Day.
Boxing. Okay, today is Boxing Day.
Today is 26.
Okay, so that is what we are doing. We are going out and let's check the street. Let's check the street and see what is happening there. So if you have watched my last vlog video, do comment in the comment section. Let's see how it goes. But for now, walking. I don't know if you are getting the environment. The environment is somehow, but you know, we have to keep going. All right. Yeah. So So guys, you guys remember I told you guys I'm now a YouTuber in Awka, Anambra, Nigeria. All right, so if you have been watching my video, so just calculate me among those that are in Awka now, among Awka YouTubers. So we have fine houses around this area, but my camera is not capturing it. Maybe I think I'll turn the camera so that you guys will see what these houses look like. All right, so I'm just capturing some areas here just to show you guys that we are still doing it the way it should be, right? So see you. You know, I can't be filming all the way from this place to the place we are going to. Once I film a little, I'm going to drop the camera. Then when we get close to where we are going to, I will resume the filming again. Amaka, you are not saying anything as if I'm the only one, guys.
No, I don't have anything to say.
Like,
all I have to say is keep moving.
Yeah, let's keep moving. I want to enter KK, so let's keep moving.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep moving, guys. So vlogging. Hey, now what? People that are vlogging is not easy. My hand is already paining me. My hand is paining me. Guys, can you see the houses? Can you see the houses? So when we are close to where we are going to, I'll now resume the vlogging again. All right, yeah, see you guys. See you there. Yeah see you there. So guys, this is where we came. Because of this car I couldn't travel, right? So guys, I have showed you my car. This is where the car is being fixed. So this car, I parked it here because it broke down immediately we enter Awka. Immediately we enter Anambra State, the car broke down. So I still give all kudos to God for bringing us all the way from Abuja to Awka for my car to come and break down. So I give thanks to God for that. So because we came in almost around Christmas, December, around 25th, so all mechanics, they are busy. Nobody could attend to this car, so I had to park it here. I had to tow it to this place. So we are waiting for the mechanics to return, the ones that will travel to their place, so that they will return and fix the car. Because of this car, I couldn't travel to my village. I'm supposed to go and see my parents. That means I'll be waiting for them until the day the car is fixed. Then I can now go to my village with my kids. So guys, our vlog is still going on. More updates coming soon. I'm waiting for the owner of this place because to ask him some questions about the car. So, but for now, we are waiting for him because according to the workers, they said he went out. So we are waiting for him until he comes back. Then I will update you guys. So guys, this is night life in Awka, Anambra, Nigeria. We are going home now, and this vlog has not ended. More vlog for you guys. All right, so we are just going home now. We came back late. I'm not supposed to be this late on the road, but you know, something happened that we are this late. So meet my friend Amaka. See hi.
See me, I'm coming. Yes. I am rushing home.
Yes, so guys, see you guys. All right, we are just heading to our compound now. All right, so you guys can see. So let's go and knock on the gate. If the gate is locked now, that means we're stuck outside. We are stuck outside. All right, so
that will not be possible.
So we are home. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful So guys, we are home. Finally, we are home. I'm about to enter my house now, and I feel at home. So guys, this vlog will be ending here, so I will start a new vlog maybe next time. See you guys, and thank you for watching to this extent. I love you guys, and more vlogs coming your way. So see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.